How to log in to Disney Plus. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, open up any web browser you want and go to disneyplus.com. Now on this web page, you want to click on the login option. Once you click on this option, it's going to redirect you to a different page. Now the first step is to enter your email address. Go ahead and type in the email address which was used while creating your account, then click on the continue option. Now the next step is to enter your password. Make sure to enter correct password. If you're having any problem while logging in, you can click on the link below that says having trouble logging in. That's going to send you a one-time code. After entering all the details, click on the login option and then you will be logged into your Disney Plus account. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.